In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create workspace layouts in Obsidian so you can instantly switch between different setups for writing, research, or project management without rearranging everything by hand each time. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian on your device and open the vault where you want to create a workspace layout. You'll need to enable the built-in Workspaces feature, so click the settings icon in the bottom left, then go to Core Plugins. Scroll down until you see Workspaces and toggle it on. This adds the ability to save and restore entire arrangements of notes and panels. Now, open several notes that you frequently use together, perhaps your main project note, a daily dashboard, or research materials. The idea is to build a layout around the tools you use most. To create a split view, right-click on any note tab and select Split Right or Split Down. This lets you see two notes side by side. Arrange your notes in different panes so that related information is visible at once. Next, open your sidebar panels by clicking the icons on the left or right edge. Keep File Explorer, Search, Bookmarks, Backlinks, or the Outline panel open depending on your workflow. Drag the pane dividers to resize each section to your preference, giving more space to the notes you use most. You can also add additional views like Graph View or Canvas if you want to visualize connections or sketch out ideas. With everything positioned correctly, take a moment to review your layout. Examine the arrangement of notes and panels, and confirm that everything is where you want it. Now press Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux or Ctrl+P on Mac to open the command palette. Type Workspaces and you'll see a list of workspace commands. Select the one that says Workspaces, Save Workspace. A small window will appear asking you to name it. Enter a descriptive name like Writing or Project Management and press Enter. Your layout is saved. You can repeat this process to create another layout. Rearrange your panes and notes into a different setup, perhaps one for deep reading or one for meetings. Use the Save Workspace command again and give this new layout a unique name. When you want to switch between them, open the command palette, search for Workspaces, load Workspace, and select the name of the layout you want. The interface will change automatically, bringing back every note and panel exactly as you saved it. If you need to update an existing workspace, just make the adjustments you want. Then save the workspace again using the same name to overwrite the previous version. Build separate layouts for writing, studying, meetings, or project tracking and optimize each one for a specific purpose. Finally, test your workspaces by switching between them several times to verify that all notes, panes, and sidebars load correctly. Using workspace layouts, you can quickly move between different activities and maintain a much more organized and productive Obsidian environment. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.